Hello children, in this session, let us start chapter 2, countable and uncountable nouns. Okay children? Children, before we start countable nouns, let us revise some points about nouns. All naming words are nouns. A noun names a person, place, thing or an idea. Nouns can be divided into 5 classes, namely proper nouns, common nouns, collective nouns, abstract nouns, and material nouns. Common nouns can be further divided into countable and uncountable nouns. Children, what are countable nouns? Nouns that can be counted are called countable nouns. Example, boy, pen, toy. We can count the number of boys. We can count the number of pens. We can count the number of toys. So, these words are coming under countable nouns. Now children, countable nouns have their own plural forms. In other words, they are used as singular or plural. Example, a cow gives milk. Cows give milk. Here, the word cow is in the singular form. The word cows is the plural form of the word. Point number 2. Every countable noun takes a or an before it. We can say a book, a girl, a child, an apple. And children, you know, we use an before a countable noun that begins with a vowel sound. And when a word begins with a consonant sound, we use a before it. Example, a car, a mango. Okay? Third point, the plural of a an is some. It is used when an unknown or unspecified number of things or persons are specified by the noun. Example, there are some glasses on the dining table. Here the word glasses, countable noun. Glass is a countable noun. And here we have used the plural form of the word and we can use some instead of a or an. So some glasses. Okay children? And fourth point is, in addition to a or an, the countable nouns also take numbers like 1, 2, many, etc. Example, one boy, a few lessons, many girls, 10 books, etc. Here we have used the word 1 before the countable noun boy. Here a few before the countable noun lesson, and here we have used the word many before the countable noun girl, and here we have used the word 10 before the countable noun book. So instead of a or an, we can use some or 1, 2, many, etc. Right? Practice exercise 1. Change the sentence into plural and write. First one, a dog is a faithful animal. Here, dog, singular, its plural is dogs, animal is singular and its plural is animals, and is, we write for a singular noun, and a shows 1. So this is, we have to replace by the word are, and a will disappear. So the answer, this answer, dogs are faithful animals. Okay, question number 2. A goat gives milk. Here, goat is the singular noun, its plural is goats, and milk is material noun, so it will be the same, and gives, it is the S form, and it is used when the noun is singular, and when the noun is plural, gives changes to give. So the answer is goats give milk. Number 3. A doctor commands respect. So children, its answer is doctors command respect. A means one. A doctor changes to doctors. Respect is abstract noun, so it will remain the same. Number 4. A journalist writes for the newspaper. Here, journalist is singular, so it will be journalists, and newspaper changes to newspapers. And the answer is journalist write for the newspapers. Here, the word writes is changed to write because it is the S form and it is coming with the singular noun, and the base form we have to write with the plural word. Okay children. Question number 5. The child likes that balloon. Here the answer is children like those balloons. The word child, singular noun, it is changing to plural children. Likes is the S form and it is used in when the noun is singular, and its plural form is like, base form, and balloon is singular, its plural form is balloons. So the answer is children like those balloons. Again here the word that is singular, so its plural is those. Okay children. Practice exercise 2. Change the sentence into singular and write. Number 1. Novels are long stories. The answer is a novel is a long story. Novels is changed to novel and we have added the word a means one, and stories it is changing to story. Number 2. Nouns are naming words. This answer, a noun is a naming word and you know it is very well. Number 3. Cathedrals are churches. What's the answer? A cathedral is a church. Cathedrals changed to cathedral and churches is changed to church. Number 4. Very small dogs are called lapdogs. So, what is the answer? A very small dog is called a lapdog. Very small dogs changed to a very small dog. Lapdogs is changed to lapdog. Number 5. Kidneys are essential organs. And the answer is a kidney is an essential organ. Essential means important. Here organs is changed to organ. Kidneys is changed to kidney. Okay children. Uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are nouns which cannot be counted. And abstract nouns like love, kindness, sweetness, pride, beauty, happiness, pain, feelings, ideas, air, weather, etc. are uncountable nouns. To denote the quantity of uncountable nouns, we use words like little, a little, much, or a lot of. Example, she gives me a lot of encouragement. Here encouragement is the uncountable noun and we have used the word a lot of before that to show the quantity. Example 2, there is a little milk in the milk pot. Here milk is the uncountable noun and we have used the words a little to show the quantity of the milk. Okay children. Number 3. The plural forms of countable and uncountable nouns are preceded by some when the quantity or number is not specified. We use some for affirmative statements and any for the negative statements. Example 1. Give me some butter please. Sentence number 2. There aren't any girls in my class this year. Children, first sentence is affirmative sentence. Here the uncountable noun is butter. To show its quantity, we have used the word some. Okay, now sentence number 2 is a negative sentence. Why? We have the word not here. So the sentence is negative. And the word girl is a countable noun. To show the number of girls, we have used here the word any because the sentence is negative. Okay. Number 4. Material nouns like wood, steel, milk, coffee, tea, gold, silver, etc. are all uncountable nouns. Some of the other uncountable nouns are advice, package, accommodation, courage, contact, furniture, health, money, scenery, weather, work, poetry, transport, machinery, cattle, leisure, news, pollution, etc. In your textbook, children, you can find many other words. You read and understand them, then it will be helpful to you for speaking and writing. Okay. Nouns like trousers, pants, spectacles, goggles, scissors, drawers, shorts, pajamas, and jeans are also used only as plural. But we need a partitive like a pair of, a piece of, a set of, etc. to speak about them. Example, I bought a new pair of trousers. How many pair of trousers I purchased? 1. We say a new pair of trousers. He lent me a pair of jeans to go with the shirt. How many jeans he lent me? 1. But we say he lent me a pair of jeans to go with this shirt. Okay, children?